In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Slack. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Slack installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Slack download page. Here I'll scroll down a bit because I will be using the machine-wide installer that you see here. And I will click on the link right here, download 64-bit MSI installer for machine-wide installation. I will click on it and the download should start. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template. And I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package. And then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my Slack installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will select add existing file and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and then on this edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell script that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, and then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And here we need to provide a few values. The first one is here. We need to provide our installation file name. And for that, I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select the name. Then I will select full name to include the extension. And then I will right click again and select copy. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Slack. Then for file type, I will enter MSI because the extension of our installation file is .msi. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, I will once again go to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it for modifying the script. Now you can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter Slack. Then for the version number, I will enter 436136 and .0. And you can see the version number here on the installation file. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for the description, I will enter Slack Chocolatey package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to modify. Now let's save the values. And now we need to save the package itself. So for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. I will be also using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on Save. And now we can try to install this package. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install software. And here I will type choco install. Then we need to provide the package ID that you see here. So it's Slack. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and my downloads folder. And I will also add -y and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package installation was successful. If I go to my start menu, we can see Slack in the recently added program list here. I will click on it and it gives me the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.